Smithfield, Rhode Island, Drain Layer Bond. What is a drain layer bond? A drain layer bond, an important part of the city's new licensing requirements for drain layering contractors and workers, ensures that everyone will faithfully perform their duties in certifying drains. Why is the Smithfield, Rhode Island, drain layer bond required? Businesses must purchase a bond to activate their license or permit. This guarantees that if the business fails to comply with licensing and permit laws, they will be compensated by the surety company for any damages incurred due to this negligence. How does a Smithfield, Rhode Island, drain layer bond work? Getting a Smithfield, Rhode Island, drain layer bond means you agree with the entity requiring it, called the obligé. Your surety company agrees to cover for you in case your clients or the public make claims against their contract and need payment from your bond. If there's ever any problems on either side of this agreement, only then will we get involved so that both parties can be satisfied. How much does a Smithfield, Rhode Island, drain layer bond cost? Smithfield, Rhode Island, drain layer bond is a type of surety bond that varies in cost and depends on the credit score of the applicant. Sometimes, personal or business financials may be required depending on what surety amount is needed for bonding purposes. Can I get a Smithfield, Rhode Island, drain layer bond with bad credit? Swift Bonds offers a wide range of approvals, regardless of credit history or bad credit. One key factor in our success is that we are able to work with 99% of applicants who have been turned down elsewhere due to their poor financial standing. Our knowledgeable underwriting staff will make sure you get the lowest possible price for your bond, no matter what personal circumstances may be preventing you from getting approved for other companies' bonds. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.